everybody. This is part. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Sorry, I made a mistake. This is actually the 7th video. I mean the 17th. Oh my god. I'm just like my classmate. Daddy, what do you want to do? This is the 17th video.
Kinukontra ako eh.
Sino ba?
Ate Beth. Sabi ko, very busy yan. Kung ano na lang, ano.
Dali, may message din yun.
Sabi mo na 5 kung gusto niya ng 5:30 or 6. Basta ano, 6 ka.
Sorry guys, I thought
sabi mo, total pa ang
the other one, the others, there was 2 14s. But it was actually the 15. I actually didn't know 15. Sorry, Daddy. I didn't know. I guess. Okay.
Antayin ka lang po yung sagot niya.
Oh my Jesus Christ! I have to cut this video. Bye, guys.
Kasi baka
I'm still here. Before you leave this video, you have to like and subscribe. Make sure, okay? Like and subscribe! And I am still here with my papa. What, everybody?
Hindi, wala namang problema yun. Ang point ko hindi ako marunong magkuha ng grab. Kung mag-grab ba, wala. Kasi kung
kukuha ka lang ng grab. Kukuha, madali lang.
Hindi ako marunong nga. Ang kaso,
oh my God, I have to hypnotize I. Let me hypnotize you.
try mo na muna si Jimmy. Para sa ang point ko, magparakumita naman siya. Yung gano'n naman ang ano ko ba? Bigyan ko naman siya ng ano. Ako pa.
Oh, wait, let me say hi to my buddy Jonathan. Say hi to my buddy Jonathan. Say hi.
Siya maaga din.
Yeah, that's my baby dog Jonathan. His name is Jonathan.
John.
His name is Jonathan. Yes, I just dropped it. Oh. You get hypnotized. Enjoy and get hypnotized. Hypnotize, 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 hello world. Let me cut the video right there.
Talus, dali lang po.
I'm just gonna do something.
Magpapadrive kasi si Tita Luz.
Okay, everybody. Daddy, can you cover this video for me? I'm gonna pee.
Maligan lang.
Daddy.
Ihatid lang.
Wait, guys. I'm down. Can you cover this video? I'm trying to pee. Wait, let me just finish this video. Bye.